little friends! Welcome to the Monster Truck Show! Let's meet some amazing monster trucks! Hello, little friends! This is the red monster truck. It is big, strong, and fast!
This is the blue monster truck. Splash, splash! The green monster truck climbs high. The yellow monster truck makes a big jump. The purple monster truck loves to spin. The orange monster truck races through the sand.
The black monster truck is super powerful!
Look! All the monster trucks are driving together.
Great job! You learned about monster trucks today!
Thanks for watching! See you next time for another fun adventure with UniKidds!